From Impalas and Corvettes to big block cruisers, these 20 classic cars are priced from just $800. Let's see what hidden gems made the list. Number 1. 1967 Ford Galaxy 500, $5,000, Stonewall, Oklahoma. This 1967 Ford Galaxy 500 is powered by a 289 V8 paired with a C4 automatic transmission. According to the seller, it runs, drives, and stops properly, making it one of the more usable classics in this price range. Recent work includes a new fuel tank, sending unit, carburetor, and tires. Located in Stonewall, Oklahoma, this appears to be a straightforward driver-quality full-size Ford with a clean title. Number 2. 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brom, $6,999, Rapid City, South Dakota. This 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brom comes equipped with a Rocket 350 V8 and THM 350 automatic transmission. The seller reports smooth running and driving manners, with no overheating and a largely rust-free structure. Extensive maintenance has been completed over the past year, including cooling system, fuel system, ignition, suspension, and brake-related work. Located in Rapid City, South Dakota, it looks like a well-maintained cruiser with only minor rust concerns.
Number 3. 1963 Ford Falcon Convertible, $6,500, Louisville, Kentucky. This 1963 Ford Falcon Convertible is powered by a 6-cylinder engine backed by an automatic transmission. The seller states that it runs, shifts, and stops properly. The paint is described as rough, but the chrome and trim reportedly remain in good condition. Located in Louisville, Kentucky, it appears to be an affordable classic convertible with room for cosmetic improvement. Number 4. 1970 Ford Fairlane 500, $6,800, Gleason, Wisconsin. This 1970 Ford Fairlane 500 is powered by a 351 Cleveland V8 and automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives while featuring a GT Torino hood, hideaway grille setup, newer tires, and several replacement parts. The car has never been restored and shows rust, leaks, worn paint, and a noisy lifter. Located in Gleason, Wisconsin, it offers a solid starting point for someone looking for a vintage Ford muscle car project.
Number 5. 1934 Ford Legend Race Car, $6,000, Noblesville, Indiana. This 1934 Ford Legend race car is a purpose-built INEX Legends racer powered by a Yamaha FJ1200 engine. The seller describes it as race-ready and equipped with numerous upgrades, including Willwood front brakes and performance cooling components. Located in Noblesville, Indiana, it is aimed more at grassroots racing enthusiasts than traditional classic car collectors. The car recordedly runs strong and is currently being raced until sold. Number 6. 1970 Chevrolet Impala two-door, $6,800, Burlington Flats, New York. This 1970 Chevrolet Impala is equipped with a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller states that it runs, drives, and stops, with replacement brake lines and calipers included. The car is currently in primer and needs minor floor and trunk repairs, but is described as otherwise solid. Located in Burlington Flats, New York, it could make a promising full-size Chevy project.
Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $8,000, Sturgis, Michigan. This 1977 Chevrolet Corvette reportedly runs and drives very well and has received a long list of recent maintenance items. New tires, carburetor work, ignition components, cooling system parts, and brake repairs have all been completed recently. The interior still needs some attention, but the car is set to be road-ready overall. Located in Sturgis, Michigan, this C3 Corvette appears to be one of the more complete drivers in the group. Number 8. 1960 Chevrolet Impala, $7,500, Macon, Georgia. This 1960 Chevrolet Impala is an unfinished project that comes with numerous new parts. The seller notes that it runs, but cannot currently be driven home. It suffers from overheating issues, requires brake adjustment, and still needs some electrical work completed. Located in Macon, Georgia, it is best viewed as a restoration project rather than an immediate driver.
Number 9. 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, $8,500, Holland, Michigan. This 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is powered by a 301 V8 and remains a running and driving project. The iconic yellow paint and hood-bird graphics help preserve its classic late 1970s appearance. The seller notes that the car needs cosmetic and maintenance attention, along with repair to a rust spot in the frame. Located in Holland, Michigan, it offers a chance to own a genuine Trans Am that can still be enjoyed while improvements are made. Number 10. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, $8,000, Rockport, Texas. This 1966 Ford Mustang features a new 289 V8, upgraded intake, Holley carburetor, long tube headers, and dual exhaust. The seller reports that it runs and drives well and includes many additional new parts. Rust is described as minor, with solid floors and rockers, though the door skins need attention. Located in Rockport, Texas, this Mustang appears to be a strong project with many expensive upgrades already completed.
Number 11. 1963 Studebaker Lark, $6,500, Pottsville, PA. This 1963 Studebaker Lark is powered by its original 289 V8 and shows approximately 68,000 original miles. According to the seller, it runs and drives excellently and has successfully completed multiple long-distance trips between Pennsylvania and Indiana. The car has been repainted, fitted with restored interior materials using factory-style seat covers, and upgraded with dual exhaust. Much of the restoration and mechanical work was reportedly performed by a well-known Studebaker specialist. While it does have some typical lower fender rust, the floors and frame are said to be in excellent condition. The fuel and amp gauges are currently inoperative. Located in Pottsville, Pennsylvania, this appears to be one of the more roadworthy and well-preserved cars in the lineup, offering an uncommon alternative to the usual Ford and Chevrolet classics. Number 12. 1962 Cadillac DeVille Sedan, $4,200, Florence, Alabama. This 1962 Cadillac DeVille four-door hardtop is equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. The seller states that the car will start and move under its own power, but it is not currently roadworthy. The brake system is not functioning properly, and the carburetor will need cleaning before regular use. As with many large luxury cars of this era, recommissioning costs should be expected before putting it back on the road. Located in Florence, Alabama, this Cadillac looks like a restoration project for someone who appreciates early 1960s luxury styling and substantial chrome. Number 13. 1978 Mercury Marquis, $4,500, Lee, Nebraska. This 1978 Mercury Marquis is powered by a 351M V8 sourced from a Ford F-250. The seller reports that it runs and drives well, with significant mechanical work already completed, including engine bearings, oil pump, timing chain, water pump, transmission service, and rear brake components. The paint was redone approximately 2 years ago and is described as presentable, though not perfect. Tires remain usable despite some age-related cracking in the tread. Located in Lee, Nebraska, this full-size Mercury could appeal to buyers looking for a comfortable cruiser rather than a restoration project. Number 14. 1966 Buick Riviera, $4,500, Pine Knot, Kentucky. This 1966 Buick Riviera is powered by a later model 455 V8 paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission. The seller states that the engine runs, although it currently produces a noise that will require investigation. The body is described as fairly solid, making the car potentially attractive as a project or driver-level restoration. The upgraded drivetrain also adds appeal for those seeking additional performance over the factory setup. Located in Pine Knot, Kentucky, this Riviera offers distinctive styling and big block power at a relatively affordable entry price.
Number 15, 1971 MG MGB convertible, $4,000, Oxford, Ohio. This 1971 MG MGB convertible shows just over 33,000 miles and is presented as a fun summer driver rather than a show-quality restoration. The seller reports that the car runs and shifts well and remains enjoyable to drive. A rust issue exists on the driver's door, though a replacement original equipment door skin is included with the sale. Otherwise, the car appears usable and presentable for weekend cruising. Located in Oxford, Ohio, this British roadster offers an inexpensive route into vintage convertible ownership. Number 16, 1940 DeSoto, $5,500, Greenville, Missouri. This 1940 DeSoto has been updated with a Chevrolet V8 engine and automatic transmission. The seller says it runs, rides, and drives, making it more usable than many pre-war vehicles still on the market. The transmission reportedly has only a few thousand miles since being rebuilt. The primary issue mentioned is weather-cracked front tires resulting from long periods of storage. Located in Greenville, Missouri, this modified DeSoto could appeal to buyers seeking classic styling with more modern drivability.
Number 17, 1978 Honda Civic, $2,500, Bowie, Maryland. This first-generation Honda Civic has been upgraded with a later Accord CVCC engine and 5-speed manual transmission. The seller has been working to improve reliability and recently installed a new shifter bushing, while a replacement fuel pump is also included. The car does have rust in the floorboards and trunk area, and the seller recommends towing it for longer distances, despite its ability to drive. It also comes with its original wheels. Located in Bowie, Maryland, this Civic represents an increasingly uncommon early Japanese compact with project potential. Number 18, 1966 Chrysler 300, $3,900, Newbern, Alabama. This 1966 Chrysler 300 two-door is powered by a 383 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller states that it was running when parked and remains largely complete. The car will require restoration work, including replacement of the trunk pan. The body is reportedly in good condition overall, while the interior has some damage to the driver's seat. Located in Newbern, Alabama, this Chrysler appears to be a reasonably complete full-size Mopar project with plenty of original chrome still intact.
Number 19, 1968 AMC Rebel Station Wagon, $3,500, Fair Grove, Michigan. This 1968 AMC Rebel Station Wagon is powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. The seller reports that it runs, drives, and stops, with brake repairs completed approximately 2 years ago. Front and rear floor pans have already been replaced, though the car still needs general attention and cosmetic improvement. Its rarity and wagon body style help distinguish it from the more common classics on the market. Located in Fair Grove, Michigan, this AMC could be an interesting project for collectors seeking something different. Number 20. 1979 Ford LTD2 Hardtop, $800, a Missville, Virginia. This 1979 Ford LTD2 is equipped with a 351 Windsor V8 and automatic transmission. The seller states that the engine runs, but the vehicle remains a project and must be towed from its current location. One of the most attractive points is the claim of very little rust, which is increasingly difficult to find on late 1970s intermediates. The car also comes with a clean title. Located in Missville, Virginia, this may be one of the cheapest V8 project cars currently available, though buyers should expect additional work before returning it to regular road use. Which one would you take home? The Galaxy, the Mustang, the Corvette, or maybe that rare Studebaker Lark? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more affordable classic cars, muscle cars, and hidden project car finds every week.